Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ish with Ish Media, and I hope you guys are good, well, and staying safe at home. And I'm back with another Make Money Online video. Well, today I got a very interesting video for you. Since I'm in IT as my full career, I've decided to make a video showing you guys how you can make money leveraging off this opportunity that I'm going to show you guys. You don't have to have no skills, you don't have to have no qualification whatsoever. You all you need is an internet connection and then you set to go. But before I start this video, if you guys are interested in making money online and learning online ways to make your life easier, please be sure to subscribe and like this video. And also, you guys have to follow till the end of the video, or you guys won't get very good results, because you have to follow step by step what I'm going to tell you if you want to get paid the most through this website. Let's begin. So I want you guys to come to a site called validately.com. So let me explain how it works. Validately.com is where you do user testing. So basically, you can see they work with big companies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, and Allstate. So it shows you they're a very legit company already. And with that said, the small startup companies that needs the apps, software, and things to be tested. And this is where you and I are coming. They want people that's not working for the company to test the software and apps for them and give feedback. And yeah, once you give feedback and you start understanding how the testing games work. So let me take you through the whole process. So first, come to the site called validately.com. Click on get paid to test. As you can see, also the companies they work for, they work with its very big companies, and this is steps to show how does it work. Sign up, start taking tests, and get paid. And frequently ask questions. You can read these things on your own time. So let's start. So this part is very important because you guys have to follow exactly what I tell you guys, or you won't get similar results, or to you won't get the best results basically of getting paid. You won't maximize your profit basically. So this by this part you have to be very honest, because the test, if you say you got the iPhone, the test will come on the iPhone. If you say you got the Android, it will come for Android. So be honest. So I got the Android. So this is what computer you use. Remember I said be honest. If you're using Windows, don't say you're using a Mac. So you use Windows, Windows 10. Obviously that's your gender. You guys know what gender you male. And year were you born? Uh, so let me choose. I'm not shy to show my age. 1993. So this also is a very important part, because this is going to determine how much you're going to get paid. So don't underrate yourself and overrate yourself. Even just put college graduate. I'd suggest you put college graduate, because then you'll try and maximize what you'll get paid. Also put you can put year. I suggest you put uh, full time, part time, or you can put self-employed. The industry, select IT, because we're going to be set user testing. So remember I told you in the start, I found those opportunities because I'm in IT and I found this website where they do user testing. Click on next. What is your job title? I'm a developer. Okay, so for this you don't put too much, because they'll think you're over experienced. You don't put under, because they'll pay you very little also. So just choose between these two. What is your name? Obviously, put your name here. What is your email? Put your email, and I'm not a robot. What's happening? Let me go to the next page. We use PayPal to send you incentive for participation. Put your PayPal email because remember you have to have a PayPal account so you can get paid. How are you going to get paid if you don't have a PayPal account? After that, go next. Choose a password. Choose any password that you're comfortable with. So this is a very also very important one. Choose a location. So I suggest you get a VPN and you choose America because that means this website pays Americans more than any other country. And it's unfair if the Americans are doing the same test like us and we get paid less than them. So put the US. But for now, I'll use South Africa. But try and get the VPN and put US so that you'll be able to get paid more. Okay. I agree. So also this is a screening test. So basically they'll just check if you match this criteria that you can go to. So just click check for everything. Though they'll check stuff like if you got Chrome, if you got a recent operating system for Windows, make sure your microphone is turned on, read each task aloud, speak your thoughts aloud, answer follow-up questions, take the test in a quiet place, things like that. So after the screen, we're going to go to a test. So this is the screener test. This is screener test. It's taking time to open. Yeah, so this is a test that we're gonna take. So we'll say I will test. The website is basically for the test is basically for 1 minute. As you can see, I will take the test. Just follow the instructions. Do what you have to do. Okay, I'm ready to begin the test. Install Validately. Then we'll click on install. It will go install Validately to our Chrome browser. Start test. So I'll allow our microphone. I am ready to begin the session. I didn't take the whole I didn't open. Let me just refresh. Must have opened another sharing. No, I don't want to share. Let's just retake the screen of this. So basically, it's supposed to open up another browser. I cancelled the browser, but let's retake the test. Yeah, so this is a very good way to make money. And so, like I said, for 1 minute, next just follow the instructions. So I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready to begin this test. I am ready to begin the session. Next. Okay. Start sharing. Share. And you just share your screen. Just follow the instructions. The instructions is very, very clear. Remember to think out loud. Start us. So change color, new widget, add project. So you're gonna just follow those instructions, whatever they tell you. So they say to do app design current projects, and we'll just do whatever they say. Change color. We'll just add a note and say, I found this notepad. Can add a project. Find it. Find notepad. Awesome. Add note to note page. You can see I've done that already. Adding the note to note page. So I say complete. And was this task intuitive to complete this task? Yes. Was he intuitive to complete this task? Yes. Oh, I can't pronounce that word properly. Any suggestions? No. I found this note that easily. And there we done. Please do not. It should be just few more seconds. Okay, they say you can close that tab. And after closing that tab, because now you complete basically with whatever you have to do. You can close this tab. So we close this tab. So if we go, so now that we complete with our tasks, we'll basically ready to get projects and software apps to test, and we'll give our feedback and check what's happening in the apps, and they'll be very grateful for our feedbacks because they need people like us to give feedback for the apps and software. Okay, as you can see, I'm ready. Here's my profile. Here's all my information. Save it. When you log in again, it will ask you these things. Why does it say profile successfully changed? Asking for a screen test again. So basically, when you finish, take the screen test. I don't know why it's asking again, but you just take the screen test and it will take you to all the gigs, basically all the software and apps that you have to test, and that's all. And you just have to give your feedback and check different components, check different features, and tell them what's happening. And if you find any errors, just speak out and let them know. I hope you guys found value in this video. It's a very good way to make money if you're going to take action with this today. Put yes in the comments. Obviously, it doesn't make you rich, but it's a good way to start so you can make money and invest in a online business, and you can scale it from there. And the online is a very good way to make money. That's how most people are making money. Look at Jeff Bezos. Look at, there's a lot of guys making money online. So there's a lot of tips and tricks that I'm gonna give out. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your day, and don't forget to subscribe if you found value.